Good morning class 10th. So now today we start the chapter number 1, real numbers. So what are the basically real numbers? Real numbers include two types of numbers. Real numbers include two types of numbers, that is rational number and second one irrational number. So these two types of number are there. Then rational number further divided many things are there in this. So rational number are what? P upon Q1, the number which represent in the form of P upon Q, and which will be the rational number. So now we already discussed that exercise 1.1 is deleted from your syllabus and 1.2 we have to start. So in second exercise some concept are there, that LCM and HCF, some formula is there. So I think you all are aware about that, the LCM and HCF. But now some new things are there in your course. So now first question we start exercise 1.2. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. So first question is prime factors, exercise 1.2. First question, that 140 we have to express in the prime factors. Like this we have to do, that 270, 235, 5, 7 and 7, 1. So what are the factors? That 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. A simple question is there. We express in the form of prime factors. One more part I will do. Third one is little bit hard. Second one will be the homework. Third part, three, 8, 2, 5. We go with the table of 3 or 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We go with the table of 3. That 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Now which table? Again 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now we have to go with the 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are, and last one will be the 17. So what are the factors of 3 8 2 5? 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. Fourth one 5005, and fifth one will be the homework. Fourth one I will do. By the table of 5, 1 0 0 1. Now which table? We go with the table of 7. 7 1s are 7, then 3 will be here. 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21. Now which table? Now 11. 11 1s are 3 will be the carry, and 13. So 5 0 0 5 with the 5 7 11 and 13. And last one will be the 7 4 2 9. You can do by your homework. Now second question is find the LCM and HCF following pair of integer and verify that LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Good question is there. (26) and 91. So first find the factors. Then 13 1. Then 91 7. Now what are the LCM and HCF? First I will write here what are the factors. 2 and 13. 26 factors are, and 91 factors are 7 and 13. So how we can find LCM? LCM we have to find that each number comes maximum time. Here how many times 2 are there? Only one time, so we have to write 1. How many times 13 are there? Here only one time, and here also one time, so we have to write one time only. If suppose one more time 13 will there, then you have to write here 2 times. Okay, so now 13, 7 also maximum one time. Now this only 13 we already calculated. Now multiply it. That 13 2s are 26. 26 into 7 we have to do. That 7 6 are 42. 4 182. Now HCF. HCF is very easy. Whatever common is there, it will be the HCF. 13 will be the HCF. Now the questions are saying that verify that LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Now LCM is 182. HCF is 13. Now two numbers that is given in the question 26 and 91. When you will multiply it, your answer will be same only. Multiply it and check the answer. When you will multiply it, you will get the same answer. This only we have to verify it. Multiply you can done by your own side. Now second part will be that homework. Third part I will do. Three, 3, 6 and 54. Find the factors. These are only the factors. Now 3, 3, 6 factors are 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 into 7, 54, 2 into 3 into. Now LCM. LCM what I said, the number come maximum times. Here see that 2 comes 4 times and here only 1 time. So I have to take maximum 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 3 is 1 time only, but here 3 comes 3 times. So I have to take maximum 1. 3 into 3 into 3. Then 7 here only 1 time. Here no 7 is there, so maximum time is 1 only. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Then 16 3s are that 48. Then 48 into 3, 48 into 3 into 3, 9 and 63. So 48 into 63 we have to do. That 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. So 48, 6 4s are 24, 28. Three 3024 will be the LCM. And HCF, what is the HCF? I said the common parts. This will be the common and only this will be the common. That 2 into 3. Answer is 6. So LCM is 3024 and HCF is 6. Now we have to verify that product of numbers. What is the formula? LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. So LCM is what? 3024 into HCF is 6. Now two numbers are 336 and 54. When you will multiply, you will get same answer. Multiply and check, your answer will be same only. And now third question, last question for the today class. Third is find the LCM and HCF of the following by applying prime factorization. Very easy question, but here no verification was there. Third question, first part, that 12, 15 and 21. then 15 and 21. So 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, 15 is 3 into 5, 21 is 3 into 7. So now what is the LCM? Maximum 2 times here. 3 is 1 time, 1 time, 1 time, you have to take 1 time. 5 is 1 time, 7 is 1 time. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 7, 420. Then HCF is the common part. What is the common here? If you see that, only 3. 3 will be the common part. So HCF is 3. Same as it is second and third part, you can do by your own. So up to third question we completed. Now fourth, 5, 6 and 7 will be discussed in the next class. Thank you all of you.